This is the Fixed Fastener Calculator for GD&T Position, which determines the allowable position tolerance for each part in a fixed fastener assembly. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose either Imperial inches or metric millimeters. For this demonstration, we'll use Imperial inches. Next, enter the hole diameter at MMC in inches. This is your hole's diameter at maximum material condition. Then enter the fastener diameter at MMC in inches. This represents your fastener's diameter at maximum material condition. For our example, let's input a hole diameter at MMC of 0.266 inches and a fastener diameter at MMC of 0.250 inches. Click Calculate per part tolerance. The calculator determines the position tolerance available for each part in your assembly. This tolerance represents the maximum allowable deviation from true position that can be distributed between mating parts. The calculation follows the fixed fastener formula, taking the difference between your hole and fastener diameters and dividing it appropriately. This ensures your parts will assemble properly even at worst-case conditions. Use this calculator whenever you need to verify position tolerances for fixed fastener applications. Find the link in the description below.